Did you know interpreting is ranked as one of the world's most stressful jobs after pilots and air traffic controllers? Interpreters aren't just working between languages, they're navigating complex emotions and concepts in real time, often under intense pressure. This high stakes work takes a toll. Without proper self care and stress management, burnout is inevitable. But when we support interpreters, we strengthen the vital connections they help create. Here are two practices interpreters can use to support their self care and stress management. 1. Ground yourself physically. Use quick grounding techniques like standing barefoot on the ground or placing your hands on a solid surface to anchor yourself in the present moment during high pressure assignments. 2. Set boundaries. Establish clear time limits for work and recovery. For example, schedule intentional breaks between assignments to step away, stretch, and reset. Incorporating these practices into your routine can help you stay balanced, focused, and ready to create meaningful connections.